Hello guys, I am Izar Hussain from the Department of Electronics Engineering Technology, the BBS University of Technology and Skill Development Khairpur Mees. So the main purpose of today's video is basically for student guide how to use Google Classroom, how to reply your answers, how to reply with an assignment and how to submit assignment, how to submit your answer of your particular question. So first of all, the main thing is how to join the classroom. When your teacher invites you, then email is appear in your inbox. You just click on that particular email. Let's suppose this one is email. This one is the name of teacher who invites me for the classroom named BBS UTSD. So if I click on this particular email, so here is a button. If you click on that button, join button, then you will be the part of that particular class. So so this one is a virtual classroom, Mr. Platform of the virtual Google Classroom. So here the main stream, and now here is the classwork. It's important. So in this one, basically you have all topics which are covered. Let's suppose covered by your teacher or uploaded material by your teacher. So this one is let's suppose the challenges. Let's suppose this one is topic. So in this particular topic, you have one question and you have one material. So if I want to reply or I want to answer this question, so I just click on this particular question, and this question, what do you think is the biggest challenge? Let's suppose. So here is supporting students partially, whatever, these are options. So if I click on this single option, and then it's important to turn in, because when I turn it in, then my teacher acknowledge with the particular answer, and he or she will assign you grades accordingly. So submit answer means turn in. Okay, so turning in, okay, your answer is turned in. It means that you submit your answer. If you submitted your answer, then you can see the answers of your other colleagues. So if, okay, this one is a process of submission of question. If you want to submit your assignment, so what's the process behind this? Okay, before going to that, these are the materials regarding to the particular topics. That's a student's learning environment, its main topic. So this is the material which is uploaded by your teacher. So this one is fifth session is PPT, means PowerPoint. So if you select or click on that particular PowerPoint, so material can be in PowerPoints, material can be your Word file, material can be any reading, material can be any link, material can be any PDF file, material can be any video. So you just click on that particular thing, then that will be open in your YouTube and new tab. Sorry. So this is the material. If I want to download this particular material, so I have more options. So here I can read this whole slides or PowerPoints. So you can also download this particular material. Okay, now the question is that if teacher assign any assignment, so how I submit my that particular assignment? Okay, so this one is another classroom in which teacher assign an assignment from the topic advantages and disadvantages of renewable energy. So just click on the assignment, and these are basically instructions of that particular assignment. So view assignment. Okay, so now if you want to submit your assignment, then just add or create over here. If you done your assignment in PDF file, in Word file, in your computer, so you just click on that particular tab sorry, and then you just upload your file by clicking on this. If you upload the particular link, so you click on link or documents, another file. So if let's suppose I done my assignment in my laptop or my computer, so I just click on file. Okay, so I can select file from your device. So let's suppose I uploaded this one as an assignment. Okay, click on this one and then open and then upload. Okay, if I upload that particular material, then it's important after uploading you must click on the assignment mark as done, because when you click on mark as done, then teacher can assign you grades. So assignment is uploaded over here. Now it's important to turn in. When you turn, So turn in is important. So don't forget to turn in your assignment. So when you turn in, so teacher can easily check your assignment, assign you with grades, and also return that particular file with different comments. So it's a process of submission of assignment. So you know very well about the how to answer a question or short answers or how to submit an assignment. Now other important thing is how to interact with your students. If you want to add private comment regarding this assignment, so you can add private comment over here. That private comment is only and only sent to teacher. So means your private comment is not seen by any other student or your colleague. Okay, so if you want to add clause comment, here's the clause comment. So you can add your clause comment over here. So all the student means every student of the classroom can see the comment and reply to your comment. Another thing is that if you have 2 to 3 classrooms, so if I select on this one classroom is renewable energy, other one is BBS UTSD, so I can go to another classroom. Means you have different subjects in your semester, so you can also change your classroom by clicking on this one. So here's other classroom BBS UTSD, and this one is other classroom renewable energy technology. So if teacher invites me for another class, then I can join with the same process. If we have assignments, I can submit assignment, I can answer that particular question, and I can also upload some things. Let's suppose if I want to add some comments, if I want to interact with students. Okay guys, one thing more, here is view your work. Means in classwork you can view your work. If I click on this one, so describe solar cell operating system, one attachment, and not turn it. Means here's the grade assigned by teacher 1 out of 1, but if I turn in it, then my grades will appear in the grade list of teacher. So what's the maximum number of electrons? This is a question. So turned in, okay, and there's assignment which is one attachment by me and turned in. What do you pay for electricity? It's assignment, and if there is tick means teacher check it and return it to me. So it's my so these are basically main things. Now which work is assigned to me means which work is in pending. So no work items in this filter means no any work is assigned to me. Still I have done each and everything clearly. So return with grade. So anything which is returned with grade, one is this one, another one is this one is also returned with a grade. So missing things, there's no anything. So it's important to view your classwork daily on daily basis. Okay, if you uploaded your material, your assignment or anything, so if you want to see it again, so here is basically class drive folder. It's created by Google Classroom or your virtual classroom automatically. So if I select on this one, if with a single click, so it's basically Google Drive of that particular classroom, means my own folder, means the folder of a student. So I uploaded this material is ISR123 describe solar cells, and other one is P1 BSc 18. So I uploaded these 2 assignments. So here is my 2 assignments in my folder. So it's saved in the cloud. So if you have any time if you want to review your assignments again after a few hours or after a few weeks or after the end of semester, so you can just click on your assignment and you can watch it anytime and anywhere. Okay, so here is basically Google Calendar. So if you click on Google Calendar, then you can know easily which are due dates for that particular assignment and other things assigned by your teacher. Thank you guys. If you have more queries regarding to Google Classrooms, then you are more than welcome. You can ask your questions in comment box or directly via mobile phone or email ID. Thank you guys. Allah Hafiz.